Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm very happy to announce that I'm uploading a minimum of one video a week. So I am uploading weekly. So please subscribe and stay notified because yay, I'm finally getting on track. So for today's video, I have my beautiful friend Lana again, and this is a look I did on Instagram and I've decided to turn it into a full-length video for YouTube. I think I would call this look wearable glitter. So it's kind of like grown-up glitter. So you can wear this to an event, you can wear this on a night out. It's gonna enhance your features. It's gonna bring a pop of fun to your look. So I hope you guys enjoy this and please keep watching. Okay, Lana has very dry skin, so I'm going to start off with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Eye Cream, which is a pretty intensely hydrating eye cream. And I'm going to follow up with the Magic Cream for the face. And again, you really want to massage that into the skin and tap it in and to circulate all the blood flow and really prep your skin for makeup. For foundation, this is definitely on my top 5, if not top 3 foundations. This is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in the shade number 6. This shade has olive undertones, so it's perfect for our region. It suits a lot of Middle Eastern skin tones. I even use this as a mixer to mix with other foundations to make it a bit more olivey. And again, as always with foundation, I like to apply a thin layer. And I use foundation more as to unify the skin tone. So I'm not really looking for intense coverage. I'm not looking for a miracle. I just wanted to unify the skin tone, and I'll do whatever I need to do with concealer after. But as you can see, that covered her redness beautifully. It covered any tiny scars that she has. And I'm using the MAC Split Fiber brush. I'll list it in the description box below because I forgot what it's called. But basically it's from the new synthetic line. So all the brushes have turned into synthetic brushes now. I think before it was half natural and half synthetic. But yeah, I really enjoy this brush. And don't forget to bring it down the neck slightly as well. You always want your neck to match your face, obviously. Especially when you know you're going to be photographed. And feel free to get it on the ears as well. For concealer, I'm using the MAC Select Cover Up Concealer in the shade NC30. And I'm using that to brighten under her eyes, on the chin, anywhere where I need to kind of highlight as well. And I'm doing that with a damp beauty blender. To prep her lips for lipstick after, I'm going to use the MAC Lip Conditioner and apply that on her lips. Okay, so for an eyeshadow base, I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in the shade Groundwork. This is very close to Lana's skin tone, and I'm talking about the skin around her eyes, so the natural darkness that she has. So again, I'm going to work with that as a base for my eyeshadows. I'm taking the MAC Pigment in Tan, and I'm going to spray a bit of Fix Plus on my brush and go directly on the eyelid. And of course, by doing this, you'll really intensify that pigment and make it more creamy, more pigmented, and it lasts so much longer. To deepen the outer corner and the crease, I'm taking the MAC Semi-Sweet x9 eyeshadow palette, my favorite. Mine just fell and broke, so I need to get a new one. And I'm taking the darker brown with the cream shade mixed in. And as you can see, it adds dimension and sort of lifts the eye for the next steps that we're going to do. Here's a bit of a close-up for the second eye. Repeat the steps and really get into that inner corner as well to really highlight and brighten and open up the eyes. Eyebrows, I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade number 6. I'm really enjoying this pencil as well, and I'm just going to fill in any tiny gaps that she has, mainly towards the end of her brow because she has amazing brows. I don't need to do anything. Okay, next I'm going to do gel liner, and this is the MAC Chromaline in the shade Black Black, which is a black. So this is the same product and brush that I used in my last how to gel liner video. If you haven't seen that, check it out. But this is a different shape. I'm concentrating the line just on the outer corner. I'm not really bringing it in. So this is just to lift that outer corner. It's to lift her eyes up. You'll get to see it in the end. So I am keeping it fairly thin because I'm relying on the lashes for that extra lift in the end. Repeat the same steps on the other eye. For mascara, I'm using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara, and I'm going to coat her lashes evenly, top and bottom. Alright, for lashes, I'm using my favorite Ardell lashes. These are in the individuals in the size medium. And I'm concentrating the shape in the outer corner again to lift. This is where things get fun. This is the MAC Reflex Pearl Glitter. I don't know if you can get this everywhere. I got this when I was in Paris at the Pro Store. But alternatives to this, if you can't find it, is the Makeup Forever Star Powder, which I think they discontinued. What else? Actually, it was called Diamond Powder, not Star Powder. But I think that's discontinued as well. Just try to get this because it's awesome. So this is in the shade Pearl, and as you can see, when you turn, it looks pretty much invisible, and when the light hits it, it's glitter. I'm going to use a bit of Fix Plus on my brush just to really catch that glitter, and then pat it on the lid. And go over your gel liner if there's a lot of glitter fallout on it. For bronzer and contour, I'm taking the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and again, bronzing and contouring with it. So on the cheeks, cheekbones, jawline, forehead, under the nose, tip of the nose, under the lip, under the chin. Blush, I'm taking the MAC Mocha Powder Blush, and I'm placing that on the apples of the cheeks and a bit higher up. A bit on the nose and the temples. Highlighter, this is the MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralized Skin Finish. I know this video is very MAC heavy. I promise to switch it up in the next video. But this was shot around the time I was doing the campaign, so I got a bit excited. But I do love all these products, don't get me wrong. This is one of my all-time favorite highlighters. It's so good. What I love about this is that it really picks up on powdered skin as well. Because I feel like some highlighters, when you've powdered your skin, or if you're a fan of wearing powder, they don't really stick on as much. You have to use like Fix Plus, but this one doesn't even need it. For lip liner, I'm taking the MAC lip pencil in the color Spice and lining her lips and filling them in. And then I'm going to take this beautiful Kat Von D Divine Studded Kiss lipstick. This is the collaboration they did with Divine, which I love. And I'm going to take that with a brush and work it in the center of the lip. It's such a beautiful peachy nude shade. I'm going to spray her face with a bit of Fix Plus and Rose. And then I'm going to do something really exciting. This is more for the body. You can do this on your face. It's not going to be really crazy. I'm going to mix the MAC Pigment in Tan with my Fix Plus in Rose. I'm going to create rose gold glow. And you want to spray that all over your body. It's going to give you a beautiful shimmer. It's not going to look crazy. It looks like you've just been at the beach, been at the pool. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please share this with your friends. Like, send me a comment. Let me know. I reply. I talk to you. Yeah, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And stay tuned. There's so much more coming. And have a great day. Bye.